Hi, Larry Elterman here, and in the continuing saga of me versus CSV, I've decided to start a new game. I call it the Cycle Stop Valve Challenge game. And here is my challenge to you and to myself. You describe in detail a situation where you think a cycle stop valve is the best solution to your problem. And I will try to find a better way that is more efficient and will save you money. If I can do it, I win. If I can't do it, you win. And I will answer all legitimate posts or queries about this game. Now, let me give a little bit more information. So what your goal is to show how you can use one of the products shown here to help you to fix your system or to improve your situation. And you're going to say how you think this is the best solution to your problem. And you're going to post your solution in my comments section. And if you want to send me additional pictures or additional information, you can send it to an email account which I've set up just for this purpose, called llphej@gmail.com. So you can send additional information and pictures to this email. Okay. Now, what is a valid challenge? Okay, we have to have a valid challenge for me to answer it. And this is not a valid challenge, one that goes, I love my cycle stop valve, it works great. Let's see you try and prove I don't love it. Well, I can't answer a challenge like that, okay? I just can't. So you better have a little bit more information in your challenge. Here's an example of a valid challenge. Somebody might say something like this. I have a water storage tank and a 1 horsepower a booster pump that gives 15 gallons per minute at 60 pounds back pressure. I have a 40-60 pressure switch with a 50-gallon pressure tank. And I also I use this system for my house, but I also want to use it for my water sprinkler, which draws 5 gallons per minute and runs for 2 hours a day. Before I bought a cycle stop valve system, my system was cycling constantly every time I used a water sprinkler. Well, I bought a cycle stop valve, and now it solved all my problems. How can this be wrong? There's no better solution to this problem than this cycle stop valve. This is an example of a valid challenge, and I will be able to show you how there's always a better solution. I'm convinced there's always a better solution. That's my challenge to myself. Okay, so that's basically it for the part of the video where I describe the challenge. If you like, you could stop watching the video now, but now I'm going to address Carrie Austin, the owner of Cycle Stop Valves, and if you want, you can continue on and feel free to listen in. So, Carrie, my first video was this video, Cycle Stop Valves Bad, and you tried to take it down for copyright violation. Now, you didn't really care about the copyright. You tried to take it down because you didn't like what I had to say. But you found a couple of pictures or a couple of graphs that I showed, and you tried to take it down for copyright violation. But you did not understand the concept of the fair usage doctrine, which says that you can use little clips for fair use. And unfortunately for you, your copyright takedown attempt failed. So then you put out your video to refute my video, and look, you used the exact same thumbnail. Once again, you didn't understand the doctrine of fair usage. You thought that since I used part of your video, you could just copy my thumbnail and use the exact same thumbnail. No, Carrie, it doesn't work that way. It's fair usage, not an exact copy of a thumbnail. So I posted my own copyright violation notice with YouTube, and I was successful, and they took down your video. I know you'll get it back with a different thumbnail, but for now, they took it down. Now, you're probably confused because you've seen one of my thumbnails which references one of your thumbnails, like this, you see? You think, why did they take down my video? Look at this. He referenced my video in his thumbnail. See, Carrie, you have to understand, this is an example of fair usage. I'm not trying to fool anybody. I'm saying that it's your video and that you made this video, and I will debunk it. See, that's fair usage. What you did was not fair usage. You have to understand, okay? You have to understand the difference. So you wrote me and you said, I was afraid of your video and that's why I had it taken down. No, Carrie, I only had it taken down because you can't copy my thumbnail exactly. That's not fair usage. Now I know you're going to put it back with a new thumbnail, so I'm not really going to accomplish much. I just don't want you to use my thumbnail. Now, To show you that there's no hard feelings, and that I don't mind if you post for your video, I will actually help you. Instead of you having to figure out a new thumbnail for your video, I will create the thumbnail for you. Okay? And you can use it. I'm giving you my permission to use this thumbnail, which I've created just for you in this new video that you put out. And here is the thumbnail. You ready? Here it is. Psycho-stop vows. Look, the video is made by Larry Elterman, a stupid man. Everything he says is a lie. He's a stupid man, and as my mama said, you can't fix stupid. He's a disgrace to the engineering profession. He's an embarrassment to the human race. Yes, don't listen to this horrible person. Cycle-stop valves are great and solve all plumbing problems in the world. You may use this this thumbnail, Carrie. I don't mind. I'm giving it to you. It's my present to you. Now, just to continue with one last thing, in an attempt to show how stupid I was, in Carrie's video he showed this picture of me and said, "Look at this stupid man." But of course he took this out of context. That's the way he does everything. He's a master of taking things out of context. And this picture was taken from a comedy video which I produced. It's a comedy, and it's an informational comedy political satire. And it has 3 characters in it. I play all 3 characters. And all 3 characters are supposed to look like idiots. That's the whole purpose of the video. But of course he took a picture out of context and then he said, "Look what an idiot this person is." Well, go ahead and look at my video. It's not that popular. You can see I only have 434 views. Maybe Carrie will do me a favor and more people will watch this video. Here's the link right here. Okay, that's about all I have to say. So see you later, and hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.